Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Google Translate app and tapping the camera or lens icon so you can translate live text. Once done, grant the app camera permission. Without it, you can't proceed. Make sure the target language is set. Choose Auto Detect for source if you don't know the language. Position your device close to the text and steady your hands. These immediate steps get the feed running and prepare the app to recognize characters and start translating instantly. Now focus on capturing accurate text. Point your camera so text fills the frame and tap to focus. Stable framing reduces recognition errors. Next, choose between Instant for live overlay, Scan for processed capture, or Import to translate an existing photo. Once you capture, the app will highlight recognized words. Tap any word to see alternatives or corrections. Make sure to adjust zoom and lighting for crisp characters. Clearer images yield better translations and fewer mistakes in output. Finish by reviewing the translated text and using on-screen options. Tap to copy, listen aloud, or share the result. If the app misread characters, choose Edit to correct OCR errors before copying. That improves translation accuracy. For stubborn mistakes, import a higher quality photo or change the detected source language for a better match. If nothing works, clean the lens, increase lighting, or move closer. These final steps and one troubleshooting tip help you get reliable translations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.